I'm excited to get it just because of the way it looks, because it looks insane. I like bottles that look insane. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? Today I got my car back from the mechanic, and what turned out to be just a simple engine light turned out to be $600 worth of repairs. Great. So that I had to take the day off to take my car to the mechanic, so that means I got the chance to do a bunch of videos, which is great. Today we're doing an unboxing of 4 different fragrances from all different fragrance houses, which is cool. And we're gonna do a quick unboxing, sniff, first impressions, and that's it. Just a quick run through of these scents and a very chill video. So we're not gonna start in any particular order. I think I'm gonna start with this one because it's the one that's like calling my attention the most because of how bright and colorful it is. So this is Hareem Al Sultan by Khadlaj. This is a fragrance oil, and I am gonna unbox it now. I pre-cut these wrappers mainly to save myself some time in the video. So I'll set it like that. And then inside you have, if it'll let go, the fragrance oil, which looks like this excessive looking thing. Look at that. That is so girly girl. I kind of love it. That's cute. This all looks obviously very fake. The crystals look very costume crystals, but you know, it's whatever. It's not meant to look super realistic. So I'm gonna take the giant stick and rub it on a tester and get a sniff of the fragrance. I'm getting pure flowers. Like flowers and powder. Yeah, I'm getting a bunch of flowers and a bunch of powderiness. It smells like something I've mentioned before in the channel. It's something grandmothers used to use in Puerto Rico, or my mother uses in Puerto Rico. It's called polvo de maja, which is like a setting powder that old ladies used to use. It's very heavily scented with flowers. This is what that smells like. Very white flowers. It is very pretty. It is very feminine. It's very, I don't want to say mature. I think it's more along the lines of older lady. I think my mother-in-law would like this one a lot because it does smell kind of like mature and put together woman. I don't mind it. It's very nice. There's a soapy quality there too that I'm enjoying. Yeah, I think it's nice. I'm interested to see how it performs on skin because these all change quite a bit when they're on skin. I can't get over how gaudy the bottle is. Okay, look at that. But yeah. Yeah, I'm also gonna have her try it out, see if she likes it. But yeah, overall, it's pretty. It's a very nice smell. It's very pretty. I'm looking forward to seeing how it develops. Yeah, flowery, slightly fruity, slightly soapy. Yeah, I'm excited to see how it develops. Honestly, I'm excited to get it just because of the way it looks, because it looks insane. I like bottles that look insane. Does it have a batch code? Yes, it does. My new obsession is batch codes because I have a video that I couldn't find the batch code, and another one that the batch code was so blurred out that I couldn't get it. I couldn't see it. That was driving me crazy. Okay, next one is, this is from Wataniah, and this is Oud Elixir. So I'll grab it, show you the box, and then show you the bottle. This is the box. Wataniah. There's nothing much on the side. So Wataniah Oud Elixir. And let me show you what's inside. Now this is a nice bottle. Look at that. It has like an actual wood top. And that looks like a nice tall drink. This looks really cool. This looks pretty freaking cool. I like the way this looks a lot. This looks very fancy. This is very fancy. I like this a lot, the way it looks. Let's do a spray. I was gonna say, oh, I didn't do my 10 sprays of the Khadlaj one. Doesn't need 10 sprays. So let's do a quick spray of this one and then the 10 sprays so I can let it mature. I love the texture of this bottle. It looks so nice. Like the textured bottle is very, it's scratching an itch I didn't know I had. It's very nice. Ah, that's good. That is a punch of sweetness. That is really nice. That is sweetness with some flowers in the back. Vanilla. This reminds me a little bit of Camera, but not really. It's like Camera-esque. I really like this one. This smells really good. That sweetness that's coming from this is so addictively good. It's spicy, it's sweet. There's a little bit of flowers in there. There's a background of possibly muskiness and vanilla. Oh, so good. I really like this one. This is gonna be one of my favorites. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Ooh, where were you all my life? Wataniah. I'm definitely getting more sense from this company because this is, if the projection and longevity is good, this scent is gonna become one of my favorites. Oh my god, that's good. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm sorry. Oh my god, that's so freaking good. Oof. Oof. That's good. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Okay, next one. Next one is Insurrection 2 by Reyane Tradition. Wild. Okay, so this opens like that, like a book. I like books don't open like that. This opens like that to the side. This has a bunch of stuff inside it. Oh, it comes with a sample. Look at that. Comes with a sample of Interstellar. That's nice. That's nice of them. This is a nice bottle. Look at that. Look at that bottle. That bottle's nice. That's a fancy bottle. I don't know why my accent is that, but that is a nice bottle. Oh, this is the R2B2 Interstellar. Ah, cool. Cool. But this, the sample is the R2B2 Interstellar. I'm gonna put that with all my other samples. Cool. Insurrection 2. I adore this bottle. This bottle is fantastic. All the bottles have been great. Okay, so far. So let's do a quick spray of this. How do I hold this bottle? Like that. This is a very aggressive spray. This spray is like it's attacking you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. What is that? I'm getting instant spiciness, vanilla. There's a scent. There's a note, not a scent, not a tone. There's a note that I can't perceive. Not perceive, that I can't pull out. I can sense it, but I can't pull it out. There's wood, cedar wood or sandalwood. There's definitely vanilla. There's definitely pepper or spicy stuff. There's either leather or tobacco or something like that. It's bent so much. Smells really good. This smells sexy as hell. Yep. This just gives me sweetness with some leather or tobacco or some kind of like that kind of scent, like a manly scent or like a dirty man scent with a lot of spice to like give it an extra punch. It's really good. It's like impressively good. I like it a lot. I get why people are raving about this one. This is really good. I love it. Oh no. The label's not really firmly attached here. So if I pull on this thing, it would completely come off. I just had to press it back in. So the construction of these bottles is not necessarily the best. But the juice that's inside, whew, great. And the bottle looks fantastic. Love it. Oh my god. This last set has been fantastic. I'm doing a lot of unboxings, by the way. This is my third unboxing so far. They've all been good to a point, but they've all been very interesting or great. So the last one is Al Dirgham, 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 probably. Al Dirgham Special Edition Ard Al Safara by Al Safara. This is another Altair dupe. I am definitely gonna do a showdown of all the Altair dupes and which one reigns supreme. So this is a silvery bottle, but it's actually translucent. You can see through it, which is great. Look at that bottle. So you can see through it. You can see my lights through it. That's cool. So look at the bottle. It has like a little emblem in the front. It has an etched lion, which is cool because right now the lights are reflecting off it and I can see the lion in my screen. Cool. Okay, so this is a very nice bottle too. Let's see how Altair this is. So in the future, I'm gonna do an Altair dupe down, which is like, which dupe is the best Altair dupe, and put all of them together and see which one's the best. Yep, Altair. Did I? I did the 10 sprays. Okay, Altair, 100%. I can already tell this is gonna be brighter than Liquid Brune. Less creamy than Liquid Brune, not as bright as Art of Nature 2. This is reminding me a lot of Luciano Bourbon. This smells smoky. The other ones didn't smell smoky. This has a smoky element to it that the other ones don't have, which I'm picking up. Kind of like a, not as smoky, like, do you know when you light a match, the smell that's left over after you light a match? I used to be a crazy kid. I used to eat the burnt match part as a little kid. That scent, like black powder, like gunpowder, is there. Yeah, it's there in the background, which is some scent that's not in the other ones, which adds an interesting element to this. Yeah, 100%. It's a dupe of Altair. It smells really good. I like it, but I'm an Altair, like, at this point, fanboy. So I really enjoy all the scents that dupe it. I'm doing the 10 spray so I can macerate. All these bottles look fantastic, first of all. Second of all, they all smelled great to an extent. Like, the only one that I wasn't completely sold by was the Khadlaj one, but because it's not really necessarily meant for me. So I can't really say it's... Someone's at the front door doorbell. Someone's at the front door doorbell. Just in case, just so you know. But the Khadlaj isn't the one that's necessarily the best one for me, but it wasn't really necessarily meant for me. But the other three were, I'm definitely sold by. So overall, great box of goodies. So let me know what you think, guys. Are any of these a scent that you are interested by? Are any of these something that you would want me to put ahead in the schedule of reviewing so I can test them first? Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember that scents are subjective. What I perceive isn't necessarily what you'll perceive. And always remember to smell your best. See ya.